Today, I am going to try a GCSE question from 2017 GCSE Higher Mathematics Paper 2. So the question is, the area of the square ABCD is 10 centimeters square. Show that x squared plus 6x equals to 1. So first, I need to write down the equation for the area of the square. So each side length of the square is 3 plus x. Therefore, the area would be 3 plus x times 3 plus x. The question already said that the area of the square is 10 centimeters square. So 3 plus x times by itself is 10 centimeters squared. So now I am going to expand the expression. So 3 plus x times 3 plus x is x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals to 10. So now I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides of the equation, which I will get x squared plus 6x equals to 10 minus 9, which I'll finally get x squared plus 6x equals to 1. So now I've showed that x squared plus 6x equals to 1. So that's it for this question. Bye!